Every Sunday morning I go out for a bigger ride in the 40 to 100 mile category. And I still get giddy on Saturday night getting everything all ready to go for a ride. And you would think that after 50 years I'd be like, oh well. At 16 I started doing bike repair. I went to Stillwater High School and they let me put up signs about Art's bike repair. And when I was 28, we opened up this shop, Art Doyle Spokes and Pedals. We've been in downtown Hudson 38 years. Here's some mountain bike helmets. I wanted to be an important part of the community. I feel like I've achieved that. I was dealing with pain in both of my knees for a minimum of 10 years. So the final straw was when it got in the way of my cycling the way I want to cycle. So I went to TCO to find out why my knees hurt so much, and it turned out that both knees were bone on bone, and it was recommended to replace both knees, which I did gladly, and the difference is unbelievable. It's hard to explain because it's just so joyful. I get on my bike and I ride. To just say that, I feel like I'm lying, but it's not. Because for so long I couldn't just get on a bike and ride. TCO has such a long history in Stillwater, and I've been part of their story since the 70s. It's 50 years of TCO taking care of me.